7. Number 42, you can see the spark. The spark, it started from the 1855 to 57. The main reason how the freedom struggle, the first war of independence, why it was started, we have seen that Indian peoples were not satisfied with the Britishers. Then again we will see taxes continued to ruin the peasants in the Bengal, the Santals, who had lost their lands under new land rules became separate in 1855. They rose a rebellion and massacred European and their supporters alike. Okay, massacred means what? Slaughtered. They cut their heads. Most of this incident, which is the very important, because of the ruin, we have seen how the peasantry, how the farmers suffer under the rule of the British government. They are paying more taxes. Again, because of the one land rule, the Santhal people, they also lost their land. Okay, that land was conquered by the Britishers, was taken away from them by the Britishers. So they have these people, the Santhal, started in the 1855. They rose a rebellion. Rebel, we have seen poem. Okay, to stand in opposition. So they stand in the opposition of the Britishers, and in this rose rebellion, they also massacred, they also slaughtered, they also cut the heads of the Europeans or the foreigners or who were supporting them. Now see the picture number 2. Discontent was brewing in the East India Company's army too. This we have seen about the peasants in the first picture. Now in army also, discontent means the people's here we are dealing with the army. So the soldiers were not satisfied with the British rule. Why and what happened, that we are going to see in the next. The white soldiers get huge pay mansion to live in servants, while we get the pittance and slow promotions. Here the discussion is given among the Indian soldiers. They are discussing, these white peoples are getting more salaries. These were soldiers who were the white soldiers, they are getting more salaries compared with us. We Indian soldiers were getting very less salary. The Angrez asked us to cross the sea, which is against our religion, who is the Topiwala, to abolish our age-old customs. Okay, 1 minute, just. We must drive out the Angrez. Sepoy Mangal Pandey attacked the adjutant of his regiment and was executed. We also know, you can also search more history about the Mangal Pandey. Mangal Pandey was also stand in opposition of the Britishers, and he was executed, he was slaughtered, he was punished by the Britishers. So here these people, the Indian soldiers, were also against the British or the rule of the British. Then see the third topic, that is thousands of others sepoys means sipai. Okay, police sipai, soldier sipais, they are saying in the this is the Indian English, we can say sepoys, soldiers revolted. They were stripped for their uniform. Then you can see the last picture, that is number 4th picture on the page number 42. Few Englishmen had cared to understand Indian custom or the people's mind. Oh, proud Brahmin soldiers, do you know that the grease on the bullet you have to bite is made from the fat of the cows and pigs? What? Here the discussion is given. Okay, so soldiers, Indian soldiers were discussing. One is saying that, do you know the bullets which you are using, okay, as a soldier, the coverage of the bullet or the grease which is on the bullet, that is made up of the fats of cow and pigs. Definitely this was against the religion of Hindu. Then again they given also, what the white man has deceived us too. Okay, they have, this white man, these Britishers have not informed us till now. Okay, they hide us, they hide that thing from us, so they deceived us. Okay, so here this was against the religion of the Hindu and Muslim. Soon the chapatis were sent from the village to village to tell the people that their emperor would want their service. Yes, all the village men will be ready. Similarly, lotus flowers circulated among the Indian soldier. Death to the foreigner. The masses gave all help and shelter to the patriots. Now here last two pictures were important. Now this is the spark, how the rebel start. Okay, how the revolt start of the 1857. Now you have seen the army, the Indian army people, they are also opposing the they are also opposing the Britishers. Same with the common man, the peasants who were opposing the Britishers, all. So now they started to revolt, and for that chapatis were sent from village to village. Chapatis were sent from the village to village means what? The message. Okay, nowadays we have anything is happened, just we can quickly post on the Facebook. Okay, social media we have that anything is happen worldwide in any part of our country, we can, what is our opinion about that? Okay, if our feeling is hurt, we can quickly respond, we can keep quickly post on the Facebook, Twitter, Insta, okay, all things. But that time this all media is not available, so people to trip people, the messenger were sent by carrying a chapati. They are giving the chapati to the other village, to the people who are in the village, and giving them a message that our emperor need our service, means support to our emperor, come in the service, stand in opposition of the Britishers. Same the circulation of the flower, lotus flower, this was circulated, you can see the last picture, in the army. Indian soldiers were circulated to each other, to the part of the country, and they gave a message that we have to definitely stand in opposition of the Britishers, and we have to kick them out of our country. So this is the spark. In this way the revolt 1857 was started. Then we eighth part, that is about the eighth part is about the revolt of 1857. You can see the page number 43. Okay, how the revolt start, how the rebel, you can understand revolt, rebel. So how it started, we have seen. Now what is actual condition at the time of revolt of 1857, how Indians fight against British, that we are going to see in the next two points. See the, you can see the picture. Okay, all these pictures you can see, most of 2-3 are 2-3 whatever the pictures are there, that is about the fighting, war condition and all. See the first picture. Then there was a violent outbreak at the Meerut, this is the place. At that place there was a violent outbreak. The Indian people were against the Britishers. Okay, they start to attack the Britishers. The sepoys marched to Delhi. Long live our emperor Bahadur Shah. Okay, now they are the sepoys, the Indians are telling that we have our emperor, that the name of the emperor, that is the Bahadur Shah, and they are trying to oppose the Britishers. Then you can see the next picture, picture number 3. See the picture number 3. The rebellion spread wider. If you see the picture, you can get an idea. In most of the part of the India, this rebellion spread. Okay, it is not limited for only the Delhi or the north. It was most of the part of the part of the India was covered. It was widespread all over the India. Many landlords had lost their lands because of the British policies, and they were sore. The white man's rule must end. Yes, now here discussion is given in the fourth picture. Yes, we will help you. Now here discussion is given, the how Indian people want the help of the others, and how they are telling to each other, definitely we must end the white man's, we must end the British rule. Now see the point number 9. The number 9 point, that is the fight for freedom, 1857. See the first pic there, on this page also you can see the 4 pictures are there. See the first pic. Many former rulers like Begum Hazrat Mahal of Lucknow were bitter. The white man has taken away my kingdom. Means many Indian kings, princes, the kingdoms were also joined to all the common man to the Indian army who are against the British. They joined the they joined the upsurge against the. You can see the picture number 2. Popular leaders like Maulavi Ahmadullah of Faizabad told the people, "Rise, brother, rise. The Angrez is running our land." Here you can see a picture where leader is that is Maulavi Ahmadullah addressing the people that we should stand in opposition of the Britishers and we have to kick them out. See the picture number 3. Azimullah Khan told Tata Tope, "We should have Peshwa Nana Sahib as our leader in this war of independence." Okay, so here discussion is going on that who will become the leader of this war of independence in the year 1857. So they are discussing the name came ahead, that is Peshwa Nana Sahib. The patriots pounced upon the British and fought pitched battles all over the North India. So patriots who are known as patriots, okay, who are the freedom fighters. Okay, they pounced, they also attack on the Britishers and stand in opposition of the Britishers. 80-year, see the 4th picture, 80-year-old Kuwar Singh of Bihar received a bullet in his wrist. "Mother Ganga, this is my last offering to you." So the Kuwar Singh 80 years old Kuwar Singh from the Bihar, that he also received the bullet from the Britishers, and he said that he used his own word that Mother Ganga river which we consider very holy as a mother. So he said, "Mother Ganga, this is my last offering to you." Okay, so in this way the whole information given in this lesson about the freedom struggle. I will discuss the question answer of this lesson also. You should write down in your notebook what you have to write, comprehension check, working with the text, that questions, all questions, how many you have to compulsory write in the notebook, working with language, and that remaining part you can write in the test book itself. In that also I'll discuss in that other video, one more video I will send.